Hello, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today as a retired electrician, I wanted to help you out and give you a tip on a specific breaker box called Federal Pacific breaker boxes. Hello, welcome to this video where I'll be discussing the importance of changing your Federal Pacific brand breaker boxes. See, nowadays, many homes still use these old breaker boxes, but it is important for safety reasons to understand why you should switch to a different option. Federal Pacific breaker boxes were actually banned by the NEC, National Electric Code, back in 1990 due to their failure to trip in certain situations, which actually led to a potential fire hazard. It is easy to identify these breaker boxes, as you can see in these following pictures, because they often have the old red, black, and yellow strips across the front. They may also have labels reading FPE or stab lock. Fortunately, these breaker boxes have been proven to be dangerously unreliable in certain situations and can actually lead to an electrical fire. It's strongly recommended that you replace it with a newer model that follows the latest safety standards and guidelines. Changing your breaker box is a relatively simple process and only takes a few hours. However, it is important to stress that you should never attempt to do this yourself if you don't have the necessary qualification or experiences. You should always hire a qualified professional electrician and get any necessary permits before you change your breaker box. It is very important to remember that an old Federal Pacific brand breaker box in your home is an unacceptable risk. Even if it hasn't caused a problem yet, you should still change it as soon as possible to keep you and your family and your home safe, okay? So that's very, very important. Thank you for watching this video about changing your Federal Pacific breaker box for safety reasons. We hope it has been a helpful and education video for you, and please always remember to stay safe with your electrical needs. If you would like to see what we do and see my money-making resources where you can detach your time and money and make a passive income through principle-centered leadership where nobody gets hurt, take a look at my website below, freedomlifebusiness.com, and subscribe to my daily emails for free. And you can obtain daily emails from me with a lot of inspirations and value. If you found this video of help to you, I would appreciate a like, and I would appreciate a subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please put them in the comments, and I will do the best that I can to answer any of your questions that you have on a timely manner. Until then, please stay safe, my friends, and stay healthy.